Monkeys can copy people?
Yes.
Yeah? They sometimes come into our houses. Have you seen them come into the houses?
Yes.
And they actually can use... Have you been to Nandi Hills? Nandi Hills is a place with so many monkeys.
My monkey doesn't come to my house.
Your monkey doesn't? That's good luck for you. So I have seen monkeys hold the juice box with a straw. And they actually can use a straw to drink the juice. Their hands and legs and minds work exactly like human beings. They are very smart animals. Is that so, Rohan?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you like Rohan's presentation? Wait. Do you like his presentation?
Yes.
Rohan, do you want to tell us something else about it? What else? Who helped you do the project?
Mommy.
So when you go home, you're going to say thank you, Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah? So thank you, Mommy, for helping my friends like it. So give him a big hand, guys. Do you have any questions? Yes. What's your question?
My mama put cake on the door and Kage come and take and eat the cake.
Monkey ate the cake?
No, Kage.
What is that? Crow. Okay, crow. Yeah, animals do.
Bird come and eat cake.
That's right. Thank you for sharing. Yes, Sunena, what's your question?
We cannot kill the animals.
Thank you, Sunena. I appreciate it. We should never forget about killing.
And we can't kill the bird even.
Not even a single living thing. We respect them.
And you
Because
should-
we need all of them and they need us. We are together. We live together.
We can't kill them because we love them.
We love
And we
animals.
can't kill monkeys.
Not a single animal.
And that's why we can't kill.
No. You need to raise heads. Yes, Niharika.
Your camera's better, I guess.
Fly without balloons.
You know, you are very close. Do they have wings?
No.
No. But sometimes they can, it seems like they're flying from one tree to another because they can jump so far. Without wings, they fly.
Because they have long tails.
Oh, that's right. And the tail balances their body. Yes, Lakshmi.
And they also have trees. They can go up.
They are very fast at climbing on the trees or anything. They're very fast climbers.
See, they climb in the tree.
Yes, see that? Yeah. Yes, Isabel.
She's jumping in the water.
Cool. They like water. Yes.
If you kill people will be sad.
That's right. No hurting and no killing animals. And no, it's sad.
No,
Well, I see you squash the ant, and you know you shouldn't. There's no need to hurt even the ant.
no,
Why should you hurt them?
but our hands.
Yeah, we love them. They're so cute. They're nice.
It's
So,
time.
thank you, Rohan. Everybody, one more time, give Rohan a big hand. Oh, and these three monkeys are very special. Do you know that?
Yes.
What about these three monkeys? You know, there was a leader in India. His name's Gandhi. Mr. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the big great soul. He's called father of the nation. I will show the picture. He said that you should never speak bad things. So, no. So this monkey is saying, never speak a bad thing. Rohan, come sit here. And then he said, never listen to the bad things. If somebody's talking bad, don't listen to them. Never listen to bad things. Ignore. And then he says, if there are not nice things coming on your way, ignore them. Don't look at the ugly things happening. Don't look at the odd things. Okay?
And
Ignore.
one more them.
So the three monkeys represent three thoughts. Never say bad words, never listen to bad words, and never look at the bad things. Okay? So three monkeys very important. So when you go home, Rohan, you're going to say thank you to your mommy and maybe daddy. Did daddy help you too?
Yes.
What did you do? He got you the pictures out of computer?
Thank you.
He printed the pictures, right? Great job done.
Even